Hi YouTube, and this is another gun review. Alright, today I have a Colt 1911. It comes in clear. It goes 195 PSI. You can purchase this at Walmart for about $10. This is my friend's gun. He just picked it up because he wanted to play airsoft with us one day. But I'm just going to inform you guys right now, this is a horrible gun. Everything about it is just horrible. Okay, so it comes with the gun itself. It comes with this red dot. You can see there. How to use the red dot is this little thing right here. You push it in. It goes right here. So you just push it. The red dot's probably the most expensive thing on this gun. It has 4 rails. Whatever. It comes with this for the red dot, this string, so the wire doesn't fall on you. The safety's right here. Horrible. Right here. Push it down. It's on. Push it up. It's off. That safety is really horrible for this gun. The hammer is plastic. Doesn't pull back. Everything on this gun is plastic. There's a little bit of weight inside there, but not much at all. This clip probably holds about probably around 18 or so, if that. I mean, it's a pretty stupid gun overall. That's a take the ammo out, slides out. So like I said, everything about this gun is plastic, even the trigger. The trigger's fine, I guess. It's all plastic, so it's gonna break easily. This gun doesn't shoot far at all. You know, it can shoot like across the street, basically it. And if you use the red dot, like so, you have to point the gun over to the right to use the red dot. Put it to the right of the object that you want to shoot at, and then shoot, and you'll hit it, because this gun is just horrible aim. There's really no sight because of the rails, which is right here. It gets in the way. See that? So it also comes with BBs. I'm guessing around like 200. They come in little bags. There's blue ones, yellow ones, and red ones, I believe. So if you want a cheap gun, but you want something good, do not get this. Like I said, this is a horrible gun. I'll give this gun a 1. That's how bad it is. The only thing I like on it is the red dot. That's it. Nothing else. This gun sucks. Do not buy it. Alright, this is Josh signing off. Peace.